Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna review a very special perfume which smells very manly and masculine, and is a clone of a very famous line from Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. So this is a tobacco touch from the House of Latafa or Maison Alhambra. So this video is gonna be more about the scent profile and how much similar does it smell to Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille. Let me just show you guys how the box and bottle looks like. So this is how our box looks like from the front and from the back. Let me take out the bottle and show you from the front, from the back. Let's quickly talk about the presentation part. So bottle comes in a black color, looks similar to Tom Ford with the golden badge of tobacco touch. The bottle looks very heavy and it comes with this plastic cap. So overall presentation of this bottle looks great, which gives an expensive feeling. So I would rate it 7.5 out of 10 for the presentation. Let's talk about the notes and the scent profile. Let's give it a spray and check the notes. Hmm. Smells amazing, guys. So in the top notes, you get tobacco spice, and after a couple of minutes later, you will start getting essence of tonka bean, cocoa, and vanilla. And in the dry down, you get woody and musky notes with the background blend of dried fruits. So you can smell cinnamon, cloves, and vanilla in just few minutes after the spray on skin. So when compared to Tom Ford's Tobacco Vanille, the starting notes are almost same except this one is little light and sweet. Overall, both smells are close and amazing except that Tom Ford smells more intense and strong. So for the scent profile, I would rate this 7.5 out of 10 as this one smells almost similar to Tom Ford. Now talking about the performance, the projection of this perfume is great. So it projects up to 4 hours and lingers around you for about 4 to 5 hours on close. So it can stay easily for about 12 to 14 hours. So I would rate it 8 out of 10 for the projection. So now the important question is when to wear this fragrance. So this is a winter fragrance especially for the night outs or for any events. So this is a fragrance that you wanna wear on suits or with your leather jackets because this is very manly and can get you some compliments. So if you like tobacco with the perfect blend of vanilla, then you should definitely check out this fragrance as this one is well suited for the age group of 30 and above. So from the price point of view, you can get 50 ml Tom Ford bottle for almost 20,000 rupees, whereas this one will cost you in between 1700 to 1800 rupees in India. So this one is 10 times less expensive than Tom Ford. So I would suggest you to check out this tobacco based perfume if you wanted an alternative to Tom Ford Tobacco Vanille. And if you want to smell different in the crowd like a gentleman in suit or tuxedo.